This video, I am going to show you exactly how you can start to copy my trade. If you have already joined my free Telegram channel and followed the instructions that are available in that free Telegram channel, then you are able to get my UID. And by using that UID, you are going to use this social trading feature to start copying my trades automatically into your pocket option account. And if you are someone new who is watching on YouTube about copy trading and want to copy trades like this, then you can join my free Telegram channel. But if you are someone who thinks I only make profit and you should only make profit always, and you don't want to make any loss, like for example we make 5 days profit and 2 days loss or 1 day loss, and you start to panic, if that is your condition, then please do not join my free Telegram channel or copy trading service. Please, I see lots of people joining, this kind of people joining my free Telegram channel, and if even there are profit of 2 weeks and 3 days are lost, and they start to panic and start to send me message, it makes me irritated. Okay, so please have a good concept while copying my trade, and you should accept if you are going to make profit, and that's also fine. If you are going to make loss, that's also fine. And in long term you should be making profit. If that kind of concept you have, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and in the first comment below. Once you follow the instructions and get the UID that is used to do copy trading, then click on this social trading. Now click on here and click on search and paste the UID that you already have. So for example, this is not my UID. Okay, I'm showing you it as an example. This is not my UID. Once you get my UID, put this UID in this way and then click on the name that appears at here. So once it appears, you can simply click on copy. Now you will see these 4 boxes. Now see, if you have noticed previously, I only make $200 trade in each trade. So that means if you copy 100% of my trade, then you will be copying $200 per trade in your account. So if you copy 1%, then 1% of $200 is $2. So you need to understand that. Okay, so let's again go to the search, put the UID and click on here and click on copy. Now you will see these 4 boxes. So if you are copying 100% of my trade, then that means you are copying $200 per trade. Okay, so if you make it 1%, then you will be copying $2 per trade. If you make it 10%, you will be copying $20 per trade. Okay, so in that way you need to do this copying percent up and down. Now in case of these 3 boxes, I would suggest you to not touch anything. Okay, because those people who are already copying me and have made any changes to these 3 boxes, not all of my trades are copied in their account. God knows why, but I don't know. But for that reason, don't use these 3 boxes. Now in case if you are afraid, like you have lots of balance and you don't want to waste all the balance, if this guy made all loss of my account, okay, you have that kind of fear, and let's say you have like $1,000 in your account, okay, and you only want to risk $200 in my copy trading service, okay, by copying 1%, 2%, 3%. Okay, so what you can do is, in that $1,000 you can withdraw that $800 from your account, okay, and just keep that $200 in your account, but don't use anything in the stop balance. Okay, it will help you to copy all of my trades in your account. Okay, so that's why don't touch anything at here. And then once you have done this much, just click on confirm and you will start to copy my trades automatically into your account. Now another important thing, so if you want to also trade by yourself in a profitable way, then I would suggest you a video where I've turned my $10 into $2,500 by making lots of trades right in a row. Watch that video and get some concept and start to make trade. Now I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.